This is a pair of two-way Katon speakers that I pulled out of an LG 42PX 4R plasma TV. Those are part of the few TV speakers that I could actually daily drive. They have a really soft and pleasant sound signature, even if they do struggle a bit here due to the large area they need to cover. They are back-ported enclosures featuring a 7cm 25W woofers, highs are really crisp, but more importantly, midranges are really smooth, being on the warmer side, which is very unusual for this kind of small speakers. As there is nothing better than listening to a speaker to judge it, it is time for you guys to make your own opinion.
Can't ever be the